Yes, Brodda B, me tell you, them that me don't know what them a do here, where them a fi dress up like say them a witch and demonic sitting them. What is the fun in that?
Hello?
Brodda B, you asleep, you asleep? Wake up, this is important.
Oh, yes. Huh?
It is Sista Din. Brodda B, talk up man, talk up man. This is a serious thing, wake up.
I'm sleep. Let me sleep. I'm not even on it. What my shoes there? My eyeglass there. Hold on there. I walk on me. I will this. I Jamaican
No, Brodda B, it's Sista Din.
Not me want people. Hold on there. Let me keep up myself.
Jesus, Brodda B.
Jesus Christ. Oh, this. Hold on there. I'll be lift up the mystery. Hold on there. Oh, this. You just hold on there because I go to your car, you know, I can come on and pick up myself, you know, man. I mean, they put on you, could depend there, you know, then give me put on you know, all that.
Jesus, Brodda B.
Oh, God, you make me put on my sleep, but I go to you, wake me up, chair, and God, Lord, oh, mercy, hold on there.
Brodda B, a people on the phone with me.
You better hold
Look at how tired of
You're just wait, because you wake me up, but I go to you, wake me up, because
Brodda B, me wake you up because it's important. There's things going on here. We need to get up and pray. Me put you upon the speakerphone so me granddaughter. No, Brodda B, you not say nothing with nobody no know. You not no secret. Brodda B, me have something important to talk to you about.
Alright, me listen.
Yes, man. Brodda B, you know the demonic day come, the day where the pitney them dress up like them a demon, and I go door to door and knock on people door.
Oh yes, I got from there already.
Yes, Halloween.
That the double something there, man.
Yeah, man. The dopey thing.
None of them better come knock on my door and become me now open the door to none of them and then I get nothing from me.
Them Brodda B, oh you go stop them. Oh you go stop them.
Well, I've got to turn off the wall of my light and everything, you know, because, you know, the double business.
You turn there. Them still ring the doorbell although we turn off the light. That not tap them.
Well, me not opening the door to none of them. I mean, I believe in them something there, you know.
Brodda B,
Just
but
up like masquerade, all kind of devil and demon. I can knock on people door. I want to kill off the whole people. Then, you know, them and things all adopts.
But you not tell no lie. Oh, we know that when we open the door, the spirit not come in at the house. Eh?
All that too.
All that. After all.
Okay, so hold it water and people. Jesus outside that door, yeah, master, because you know what, none of them come inside. They end up straight.
Me say, me have enough foolishness I go on my yard. Me no need nobody else foolishness for come creeping at me for me house.
No, sir. The blood of Jesus.
The blood prevail it. Me say, it's one piece of me no know man. Me say my granddaughter, she says she fear building them collect candy. Me say collect candy for give out. Me say what? And my daughter says she'll go buy box of candy. Me say you better put down your money, shove it down deep in your pocket.
We know in another day something there.
We not in a hit. And that me I try tell her. Me say, oh, what this? You know, bring up in a good Christian home. Brodda B, what we are going to do about this, man?
Well, we have to do something, you know, but he can't go on there, so this is your journey, and we tell you right now, we have to read the blood of Jesus against all of them, because we don't want them something next to them in our yard, you know.
Me no want it neither. You know what? We might just walk up and down in the hallway and just pray down and aisle up the place. And night the place with the oil. So when the people them walk down and walk up and down and ask for trick and treat, them get the treat of them life. You hear?
Me not in them something there, you know.
I ain't neither. We have to do something, man.
Light everything.
Me have to... Maybe we have to call the person or something and do something about this because me don't know how much more years me can take at this Halloween business. Me don't know how them do this Halloween business.
Me not in the doctor business at all. I think better go up prayer meeting or something, you know, Duppy and Demon, they out there, you know, they can't run back from people, yeah, trying to have those people them for.
Alright then. Good. So what you do today, Brodda B?
Why me then, me not, put on the TV, on the local aquarium channel there, you know, and then look water there, and I just drift off to sleep, master.
Oh.
Me want people
me, I must see why you want pee up yourself. No, you stay there.
Aquarium, something there with the fish, right?
Yes, Brodda B. Why? How good. Yes. Yes, Brodda B. A good thing we wake you up. Say. Alright, well, me just feel to tell you that, and you know, just to keep it in your prayer, and we just me tell you what happened here in our building. You know, Halloween is Thursday, so keep sober. You hear? Keep sober and keep prayerful.
Yes.
Keep prayerful.
Get ready for how long that the night they are.
Yes.
All around the house.
Yes, all around at night, every door and every window. Make sure no dopey demon come in the yard.
You know what kind of sickness in them foreign country, you know? We don't have nothing like that a yard, you know.
We don't have nothing like that a yard.
Dopey business a yard. You know, they come out this dopey country with all them foolishness. Right. Like them are being more dopey than a one show.
Missy. Anyway, your Brodda B?
Yeah, man.
Okay, alright. You take care. God bless.
Alright, you walk good here, my child.
Alright. Okay, bye.
Alright.
Bye.